Good morning, I am Srilekha, Department of Chemistry. Today I am going to talk about on the topics of polymers. So the polymers is a natural essential development of industrial substance using these polymers. So the polymers have a very beneficial units in this industrial aspect of copolymers. So the copolymers and the homopolymers and the intermediate by using these type of polymers can be explained by using in the form of nylon 6.6. So here I already have discussed about this what is a polymers and how the monomers can be carried out in this type of monomer. The monomer is only the one repeating units which is converting as a with the number of repeating units into an n number of degree. So here the n is considered as the degree of polymerization. So here the n is represented by the formula molecular weight of the polymers divided by molecular weight of the repeating units. So that is the how much times we are converting the monomer into a polymer, which includes the whole number of n. This is the number of polymers, how the polymers can be carried out in the formation of a group with functional groups. So there are the classification of polymers, how we are converting with this. There is the natural polymers, synthetic polymers and the organic polymers. So from this, these types of polymers we are explained in this formation for the organic polymers, which has an example of a starch, cotton and the wool. And in the other types of polymers also we have to consider with this. So by using these types of the polymers, we are splitting the polymers into a thermoplastic and thermosetting materials. So the thermoplastic and the thermosetting materials can be carried out in the formation of the plastics, and the plastic which is also considered by using the form for polyethylene, polyester and polypropylene and the formation of a polylactic acids. So the other type of the polylactic acid is the only one which is fermented from this plant and the starch. So the plant and the starch is the main purpose to convert the fermented into a monomer. So from these types of polymers, there is an industrial polymers, engineering polymers and the organic polymers. So here the industrial polymers which is based on thermosets materials, that is the polyethylene, PVC and polypropylene. And next we are going to move on with this the engineering polymers. The engineering polymers is based on with this Teflon, nylon and bakelite. So these types of polymers which is all based on this form of polyesters. So polyesters based on the coating materials and the coating varnishes types of materials. So now we are going to see about this topic on this nylon 6.6. So here the nylon 6.6 it is in the formation of a fiber material. Mostly the fiber materials can be carried out in the formation of a monomer. So here the monomer we are using as in the formation of an hexamethylenediamine and adipic acid. So this is the monomer of a nylon. So this is the monomer we are converting from the structures of the NH2 amine groups and CH2 the 6 with the NH2 groups. So diamine, hexamethylenediamine. So this is the formation for converting as a hexamethylenediamine and this adipic acid. So adipic acid which is in the formula for CH2 the 4 C double bond O with the acid group C double bond O OH. So in this the presence with this catalyst which react with the removal of water molecules. So here we are removing the water molecules from this hexamethylenediamine and this adipic acid. We are converting as the OH group H and the OH group from the two molecules. We are splitting the molecules from H and OH groups and with the removal of an NH2 group. So we are converting the NH2 group with the removal of water molecules by this process. And again you will get in the catalyst as a polymerization reaction as NH, CH to the whole 6, NH, C double bond O, CH2 4, C double bond O. And this is the formation and this forms as a monomer with a whole number of repeating units of N to convert as a nylon 6.6. So this is the polymer, how the N number of times of monomer which is converting it into the adipic acid and with the same of the hexamethylenediamine to form as a polymer nylon 6.6. So the nylon 6.6 it has a properties which is based on this. It is a cheap and fiber material and it is also used in the formation of coating materials, and the fiber is the main process to convert the natural process of the polymers. So here it is a resistant chemical water resistance and it has a very durable properties. It is colorless and odorless properties. And this application we are converting as a related to this nylon 6.6, it is molded particles which can be molded by using in the formation of a polymers. Thank you.